So guys, discuss a very important one. Suppose you are creating one channel here. Suppose I go to my channel here. Just and play the one video in this option. So just and play this one video here. So in this my video, lot of people will be promoting for their videos also. Videos banner. But in my YouTube channel video, how we can promoting for other YouTube channels? The channel no need any kind of permissions. I give an example here. Just I'll show you here. This is my channel, Digital Rakesh. In this channel, somebody promoting their videos, like any kind of channel video they're promoting for my channel. So how we can create this ads will be promoting for in the YouTube channel. In this purpose, we don't spending for a lot of amount. Just you can spending for less amount to promoting for other YouTube channels. In this purpose, we can selecting option will be called google.com/adwords. These are the compulsory important option. Click for sign in. The sign in will be completely free option. No need to worry about that to pay some amount in this. After this one, we have to select option will be campaign. Just create the new campaign option. In this select the campaign, they're showing for a lot of campaigns are there. In this, to promoting purpose, product and a brand consideration. Encourage people to explore your product or services. Select it. In this select option will be called video marketing. Get more people to consider your product or brand with a video ad format designed to encourage engagement. So people coming to a video, they will like, coming to your channel, will be getting for more subscriber also. In this, you can selecting option will be called, they are showing total 3 options: influence consideration, ad sequence, and shopping. In this, we can selecting option will be called influence consideration. Simple. So how we can show our ad? Ad will be 2 types: 6 second, more than 6 second, skippable and non-skippable video ads. People watching for your video for other YouTube channel, they are showing for 2 types: skip and non-skippable. Now click for. But here my target is called specific top YouTube channels. I have to promoting my video specific YouTube channels. You can go to here, influence consideration, continue. Here, just I'm writing one name. Here, daily budget campaign total. I'm giving the campaign total will be 150 rupees. So campaign total will be how much? 150 rupees. So how many days will be campaign? Compulsory, what are the mention here? You have to fulfill the option. When you mention by the campaign total, you have to give the option will be here. So I'll give the 1500 campaign total. So end date will be particular 3 days. Campaign total budget will be similar to 500. Complete for 1500. Daily 500 will be spending. For total 3 days will be spending amount. Suppose I give by the 4 days, the spending amount will be 375. If you get any error, they're showing for your particular option. Based on the amount, they're showing for particular impression. So I mean, decrease the date, the impression will be increase the particular option. So what are the things are we here? Just go with 6 billion plus. Next. So what is our target audience? We can promoting countries, states in this particular places. So right now promoting this one only for Hyderabad. So target by Hyderabad city. So right now target by only Hyderabad city. Languages. Suppose your video will be English, can add by English. If video will be Telugu, used by the Telugu language. Depend on the video language, we can target by the traffic. Okay, in this is a common, don't touch this option. Inventory standard always. This will be common topic, is a ad group. So what is your target age wise? So I'm not interested to the more than 44 years and everything will be targeting here. So in this, next, audience selection. I'm not giving any specific audience. Any audience I'm targeting in the particular video. Next, keyword. I'm not selecting any particular keywords. I'm targeted by every audience keywords. Next will be any topic. Don't select any particular topic. The major importance called placement. This is the major thing. So which channel you are targeting? The channel will be at the in a particular URL. We can target the particular channel and particular video also. Suppose this guy give the best videos from the YouTube channel. Just give the some information. Copy this guy videos and we can paste it. The guy will come into the particular channel and target by particular channel will be here. They show in this option channel videos. We can target the channel videos or particular channels. We target by the total channel or particular videos. So both will be flexible. Suppose I not target the particular channel, only videos, particular one video, target the particular one video also. So this all we can give the particular option on this placement option. Not only one channel, we can target further channel also will be here. Suppose this channel will be go with this. Done. Remove this and go for is one more Telugu guy is there. Search it. And target will be particular channel. So right now, how many channels I'm target? I target by the 2 channels. How many top YouTubers will be there? We can target your channel will be other YouTube channel targeters. Not only for YouTube, we can promoting for apps also. Suppose any app will be promoting. Suppose will be there, Swiggy. If we are promoting a video will be Swiggy or any particular game also will be promoting. So anything required will be game. We can go to Play Store. What are the top apps are there? We can promoting for apps also here. In the particular mobile app also we'll be promoting your video to increase the views and the channel subscriber purpose. So here what is the we can go for particular YouTube channel, particular videos and particular video lines and we can promoting for apps and particular website also. Any website you can promoting here. Simple. Just I'm targeting for in this. I'm targeting this option will be here. So we can promoting for other website also. So these all option will be given in the particular placements. After that, how much view will be needed? We can select in for particular option. So view will be here. Just and give the 10 rupees. So what are the parameters are required? Everything will be finished in the particular option. So don't forget the parameters here. Now we have question mark is there. So promoting our video for other YouTube channel video. You can check it. So you can question, I will clarify. So I can come into this here. So we can promoting for other YouTube channel video also here. Skippable ad, video discovery. Video is nothing but when we playing the video in the below, they showing for certain ad is called here. Now, not for other videos, only for your videos. So in this here, I can promoting for my videos. So just here, what we can selecting option here. So just we can using any one particular video option in this. Copy. Paste it. In stream nothing but skip ad. Video disco nothing but video below option will be here. After this adding option, compulsory you can mention the final URL. Final URL nothing but your YouTube channel URL. So is a display URL. HTTPS is not required. After that, if any need by call to action, we can use it here. Auto generate image or upload your own image. After that, add name and writing for my channel name here. Digital Rakesh. So yeah, the showing for mobile will be and desktop. How much based on budget? The showing views, impression, and cost per view is the charges and budget expenditure. How much is the percentage? These all will be confirmed. finally you create a campaign option. So you can promoting for other YouTube channel, other mobile apps also. They're showing for your YouTube and Google video partner option also. Video for nothing but any video playing for other websites. There also we can promote our videos on the particular skip ad. So two option. We don't selecting for two things here. This will be here. They're showing like this. So here this option. So follow instruction to promote the other YouTube channel and other mobile application using Google AdWords. Finally, you can call for create a campaign. Any error will be occurred. They're showing for before create a campaign option. Continue to campaign. And one more option is there. When a campaign is running, suppose when a campaign is running, if you want change any option required, just select the campaign here, go to particular groups. What are the ad you change here? Click for edit and edit ad. So what are the changes are required? We can change by option. Suppose skippable is there. We can't change your option, but we can change your particular video ad. So this all option will give the on the particular option. So clear. So this is a way we have to promoting the particular your video for other channels. That is based on the your particular campaign. The budget will be starting 1 rupee onwards to up to 10 rupees are can go with the here. The minimum budget you're spending for 500 we have to spend on the particular Google AdWords campaign for daily budget. So that is called I mentioned for 1500. I'm give the campaign will schedule only for 3 days. I'm spending for daily budget is the 500 rupees to the view will be increased the particular channel to engage the audience purpose. So other YouTube channel without your permission we can promote from other YouTube channel also. So this is the way we can promote from your videos other YouTube channel option.